everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a very special unboxing to share with you, and it is Glossybox. This is Glossybox August, and it's the special edition 9th birthday box. And this is what it looks like. Absolutely stunning this month. I think this is my favourite design of all their boxes that I've ever had. So as always, if you're new to Glossybox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you just want to get on to seeing the contents inside this box, I'll put a timestamp down in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So this is Glossybox UK. There are Glossyboxes around the world, but this box is solely for Glossybox UK. It's a monthly subscription box and it costs £13.25, and that includes shipping. Inside you get 5 beauty treats a month, and they range from skincare, hair care, makeup, and makeup tools and things like that as well. If you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. This box was kindly gifted to me from Glossybox in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel, but I also have a 12-month subscription running personally as well. So I pay, instead of £13.25 a month, with the discount it brings it down to, I think I pay £11.75 a month. Glossybox has been my longest standing subscription box. I've been with them for 3.5 years and I've never had a break. And yes, some months are better than others. Essentially, you're getting a mystery box. But for me, in a subscription box, if I love the majority of the products and the value is over the cost of the box, then yeah, it's a keeper. It is a keeper. So with the PR boxes, I show you early, and then with my monthly subscription, I put those boxes up for giveaways on my Instagram and my Facebook page, which are both the same, Diaryofabeautygeek, or I give them to friends and family as gifts. When you sign up for a subscription with Glossybox, you are then able to fill in questionnaires at the end of the month in order to claim credits. Now these credits can be put towards buying future subscriptions, future limited edition boxes which Glossybox come out with, or you can use it on their sister website, Look Fantastic, so you can purchase any beauty items off their website. So really handy, saving them up, especially if you're into your advent calendars, because I know a lot of people last year ended up paying like £10–20 for their advent calendars as opposed to like 100 or so, because they've been saving up their glossy credits. So yeah, it's well worth doing. But me personally, I'm a little bit impulsive and I can't do that. I might save 2 months but then no, I have to spend it. So yeah, that was my downfall there. But yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down below. So let's get on to showing you what's inside this box. This is how it arrives. And we've got a little booklet here, and as you can see, I've already opened it. I could not resist. I was going to do a video yesterday, but I just didn't have the time. So there's a sneak peek of the items. This is their 9th birthday edition box, and all August boxes are now sold out. If you're interested in taking out a subscription on Glossybox, then you're able to do so now, but your first box will be in September. If I can find any discount codes, etc., I'll pop them down in my description as well. Everybody will receive the same this month. There's just variations on the lipstick, and there's 4 full-size items and 1 mini. I just go through the booklet quickly because I want to show you 2 very exciting things. August is also a special month for Glossybox because they're releasing their very first skincare range. And this is what it looks like. They're releasing a full skincare range for dry skin, sensitive skin and oily skins as well. And I've been picked to test them out. I'll just give you a sneak peek. I'll be doing proper videos and proper reviews, going into the ingredients and things in the next week or 2. But I've got the set for dry skin. Now my skin is combination, so I've got a slightly oily T-zone, but the rest of my skin is quite dry. So I've got all this to test. So watch out for my review and my thoughts coming soon. So as well as the release of their skincare range this month, we have got a sneak peek of their advent calendar, which is going to be available to pre-order next month, which is crazy, isn't it? This year is just going super fast, isn't it? Super fast. But yeah, so that's what the Glossybox advent calendar looks like. Enjoy an exclusive subscriber price of £80 and priority access from Tuesday the 8th of September. It features Huda Beauty, Iconic London and Lime Crime, and there's 25 makeup, skincare and hair care products all together. If I could find like a waiting list link on their website, I'll pop that down in my description. It doesn't give me any more details about, if you're a non-subscriber, how much it'll cost and when it's available to pre-order for you, but as soon as I find out these details, I'll let you know. So the first item in the box is a Huda Beauty lipstick, and this is a demi matte lipstick in shade Chica. The packaging is gorgeous, isn't it? I haven't tried one of these before. It boasts a luscious, highly pigmented formula that glides effortlessly onto your lips, adding an intense shot of colour to your pout. It then dries to a satin finish, creating a sheen on your lips that enhances their natural shape. Simply line your lips, apply your lipstick and blot it with a tissue for a beautiful stained effect. This is a full-size item and it will cost you £18. You will receive 1 of 10 shades. Give you a little bit of a swatch, but I will try it on because there's something else in the box that I want to show you first. Ooh, yeah, I really like that. It looks quite dark, but we'll see what it's like on my lips in a little while. So the next item, which I'm going to be trying as well, is a lip liner, and this is by Steve Laurent. I'm assuming it's like a universal shade because I don't think, yeah, we'll all get this shade. So I think it should go with all the shades in the HUDA Beauty range. That is huge. That is a very, very long lip pencil. Look, it's longer than my forehead. So what colour are we in Vogue? Oh, that is a spot on shade. Look. Look at that. Oh, that is nice. This is full size and the recommended retail price is £12. It says this magical lip pencil is completely waterproof so it doesn't transfer or bleed throughout the day. Instead, it stays put for up to 7 hours. Use it to shape and define your lip contour, then fill in your pout with a slightly lighter shade of lipstick. I'm just going to rub off the lipstick that I already have on my lips. And I did what I always do. So then I cover the whole lips in lip liner. That is a really pretty colour. I do like that. I quite like that on its own. So onto the lipstick. That is gorgeous. I am really, really impressed. I am really, really impressed. It feels amazing on my lips. It just feels so nice. I love this little applicator. And it almost feels like my lips are tingling, so it must have like, I don't know, like a peppermint. I don't know. It does make my lips are tingling a little bit. I really like it. I'm curious now to see what other shades they do in this. But for these two together, I think it's perfect. I'm not a big fan of Steve Laurent, but I actually do really like this pencil. It's easy to apply and yeah, it's just nice. Even nice on its own without a lipstick, but it's tingling. It's tingling. It doesn't say anything about plumping or anything like that, but it's tingling, but in a nice way. It's not really uncomfortable. Anyway, next we got a shower gel. It's a bath and shower gel, and this is by Molton Brown, and this is Rhubarb and Rose. These shower gels are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure if I've ever had this one before. I'm looking to see how big it is. 100 mils there. And this is the mini. You can actually buy these. I think they're like £10. Hold on. £7.33 for these. Not keen on Rose. Not keen on rosy smells. But I do like rhubarb. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Let's get rid of the bowls. Oh, it smells quite citrusy. It smells, I don't know, like passion fruit and mango, and as well, it's like, oh, that is gorgeous. I'm getting it on my nose now. That is really, really nice. I don't think I've ever had this before. So to buy this deluxe mini, it will cost you £7.33. To buy the full size 300 mils, it will cost you £22. British Royal Warrant Holders Molton Brown's Indulgent Shower Gel boasts a luscious blend of rhubarb leaf, rose and zesty grapefruit. That's what I can smell, grapefruit. Trust us, this luxurious formula will leave your skin feeling cleansed and irresistibly fragranced. Apply onto wet skin, use an loofah, or pour into a warm bath and enjoy a relaxing soak. So there's that. Next we've got a Brushworks complexion sponge, and this is a HD Wonder versatile blending sponge, 3-in-1 design, latex free material. I'll just get it out and show you. I use sponges all the time to apply my makeup and my concealer. I really like them. But the test is on what they are like when they're wet. And I'm sure I've had these before, but I can't remember. So hold on, I'm going to wet it and I'll be back. So I've just dampened it down and it's expanded, and yeah, it's nice and squishy. Now, if you don't already know, if you don't wet your beauty blending sponge before application of makeup, then all your makeup's going to get sucked into that sponge and you're going to be like using a heck of a lot more products. So by dampening it down, you are using minimal makeup. Plus, by using a sponge to apply your makeup, you've got more control over the coverage. If you like to build up your base, then a sponge is brilliant because it tends to give a lighter finish than an actual brush. And yeah, it's just handy to blend in all your makeup and concealer under the eye with a little knob there. I use them alongside brushes, but for quick and easy and lightweight makeup, I always go for a sponge. And yeah, this one feels okay. This is full size and it'll cost you £5.49. It says here 3-in-1 makeup sponge, perfect for applying foundation, concealer, contour or highlighter. It's slightly dampened to apply liquids or use dry to apply creams and powders. So yeah, so we've got a beauty blending sponge. And lastly, we've got a skincare product from Glossybox. And this is their Eye Boost Cream. So every single one of us will be able to try their eye cream. This is what it looks like. The skincare range has been in production for over 12 months. It's all natural, cruelty-free, it's vegan. It's simple ingredients and all the packaging is recyclable. This is a full size and the recommended retail price is £20, but if you are a subscriber to Glossybox, you are able to buy this skincare range at a discounted price and you'll be able to buy this eye cream for £16. It says, proudly introducing the luscious eye cream from our newly launched Glossybox Skincare range. You're the first to try this product and it's our special gift to you. Its indulgent formula blends elderflower, eye bright and red seaweed extract to reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles and refresh tired looking eyes. We hope you love it as much as we do. So those are all the products, so I'm just going to add them all up and then I'll come back to you. So these are all the products inside Glossybox's 9th birthday edition subscription box for August. The cost of the box is £13.25 and the value of the box comes to just under £60. So we've got 4 full-size items and 1 mini. We've got a Steve Laurent lip liner, we've got a Huda Beauty lipstick, we've got a Molton Brown rhubarb and rose shower and bath gel, we've got a Beauty Works beauty blending sponge, and we've got a brand new exclusive Glossybox Skincare eye cream. I love these two. These two together work perfectly. My lips just feel so lovely and I do really like the colour. I really like the colour. The smell on this, I was a bit dubious because it contains rose, but no, it is gorgeous. It is really lovely. The eye cream, I'm really excited to try. I can't wait. A beauty blending sponge is always handy. So no, I am really chuffed with it. I am really chuffed with it and I definitely think it's worth £13.25. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Do you think it's a winner, or do you think nah, it's not a box for you? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.